At the end of last year, I was approached about giving a talk on public speaking at a medical conference in Copenhagen. We had a good chat, and of course one of the questions I asked was how many people are likely to come along. Well, they said, we think your talk will be interesting, but obviously it's not central to the thrust of the conference, medical matters, so maybe 10%, about 250 of the 2,500 there. Oh, okay, I said, fine. I often deal with groups that size. Here in Cambridge, no problem. So I started to do a bit of work on the talk. And then, 2 weeks before the conference, I got an email from the organisers saying, could we have a chat? Now, you know that means trouble. If it's something they can't just put in a message, it's not going to be great news. So we set up a video call for the next day, passed some pleasantries, and then I said, well, how can I help you? And they said, yes, we've had to change the room for your talk. I thought, okay, doesn't sound so bad. Why didn't you just tell me that in the email? And then I asked why. And they said, yes, well, now you see, we've had indicative responses back regarding how many people are likely to come to your talk. And could you manage a few more than 250? I thought, well, that's nice, fine. How many? 300? They said, about 2,500, actually. Okay, that is considerably more. Anyway, I put my game face on, said no problem, ended the call, did what English people do at times of stress and went to make a cup of tea, and then straight away started really carefully planning my talk and indeed rehearsing it. And for the next week I rehearsed it twice a day, and the week before the conference I rehearsed it 3 times a day, and on the day of the talk 5 times. The good news is the talk went really well. And here is the punchline. Afterwards, I was approached by a lovely group from Amsterdam who said, great talk, really enjoyed it. Oh, thank you. How do you manage to make it look so effortless? And I said, well, there's the secret. The more effortless a talk looks, the more effort you know has gone into it.